Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at Excel and how we can calculate in Excel. So I'm going to be guiding you through this particular process. Right? So the first thing we wanted to look at, we want to look right here on the instruction. Right? Very important. When we look at the instruction, what the instruction is saying right here, Microsoft Excel, is how to use sum, multiply, divide, subtract, and how to use average, maximum, and all of that. Let me bring it up some more. You can have a closer look right here how to put in the minimum. Right, so we're going to look at all of these individual. Right, so first thing we want to bring up an Excel, so we're going to do a sum. Right, so we're going to put two random number here, and then we're going to do a sum. In order for me to do the sum, remember all sum, all formula start with an equal. So we're going to say equal. So we're going to say SUM, and then we're going to put a bracket right there. If you notice right here is B3. So we're going to say B3. We're going to put the colon mean a range, correct? I calculate in a range. So C3. So we're going to put 3 right here, and then you're going to put the bracket, and then you're going to press enter, and there you go. So this is how we actually add using the sum, right? So now we look at that. Now the next thing that we wanted to do is to multiply, right? So we're going to multiply this time, right? So we're going to put two more number again right here, right here. So we're going to do that. So we're going to say equal, and then you're going to say F3, F3. You're going to put the colon again, and then we're going to say G3. Right? No, we're not going to put the colon. We're going to multiply now. So we're going to put the asterisk right here, and then we're going to say G3. So G3 right here, and then we're going to press enter, and there you go. Now this is how we actually multiply right here. So now we actually complete sum and multiply. Now we're going to do the division right here. So all we're going to do the division, now we're going to put two number there. Right? So now we're going to put two number there, and then we're going to do that. So we're going to come right out here. So we're going to say equal, and then what we want to have now, we're going to say H6. So say H6. Then we're going to put the slash sign here as for divide, right? And then you're going to say I6. And say I6, and then you're going to press the enter key. You notice this is what happens when we divide. Alright, so the next thing that we want to be looking at, we can subtract. Alright, so we're going to do some subtract here. So I'm going to write some, put in another random number here, and then like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say equal. So I'm going to say H9, and remember this time we're going to subtract, so put a hyphen right here. So we'll say I9, we'll say I9, and then press enter, and there you go. This is how we do the division right here. So we're going to go back again, and now we're going to be looking at the average, right? So we're going to get the average, right? So if I have two figure here, like this one right here, we're going to put another figure right here. So I'm going to look at average. So I'm going to say equal, I type out the word average, A E R A C E. Then you're going to put a bracket, and then what you're going to see, you're going to say H13. So H13, you're going to put the colon there, right? And you're going to say I13. So you say I13, and you're going to put the bracket, you press enter, and there you go. This is the average, right? Now that's how we get average. We're going to look at next we're going to look at how we can get the maximum, right? So right up here we're going to be looking at the maximum, right? The maximum. So what we're going to do right here now, we're going to click. So we're going to look into this line. We're going to get the maximum in this line right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to say equal M A X That's fine for max, and that's how you use it. You actually put the bracket, and then you're going to say H15. So H15, right? You're going to put the colon because you're actually doing a range of cell, right? So remember now you have H15 here, right? It's supposed to be H3 rather. Let me correct it up here. H3, H3, right here. And then you have H15. Now H15, H15. So we're calculating here to here, right? And let me put the bracket right there, right? So notice H3 to H15. So right here, this is 3. So we're calculating right the maximum from right here and down here, and then we're going to press enter. Alright, so let us do that again. Something go around there. Alright, because of these blank here, just click on it again. Just the same. So we're going to say equal max. Alright, so we're going to put a bracket. So we're going to say H3, H3. We're going to put the colon there. And then we're going to say H right here. Look over here, 30. That's really mistake. While it's 30. And you put back the bracket and then you press. And there you go. You notice it show you the max. Alright, so this is the max. That's what it actually show you. Right here. So now we're going to be looking at the minimum. Right, so look at the minimum right here. So we're going to set now equal min. That's what you actually use, and then we're going to put the bracket. So what you want is to say now H3, H3, we're going to put in the column H3, then we're going to say H right here in line 13. So you're going to say H13, and you're going to put the bracket, and then you press enter. Alright, let's go back again. So click on H3. Right, let me saw the H right here, so put the H there, and then when you're done here, press enter, and there you go. Show the minimum. So hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So remember to share it with your friend. Right, so that's your friends have been